Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Jaguar F-PACE with the key, using an easy method. This guide is perfect for situations where your key fob battery might be running low, or if you simply prefer a manual approach. We will cover accessing the vehicle, starting the engine, and even some helpful tips for key fob maintenance. Let's get started with understanding your key fob's primary functions. If your key fob battery is depleted, you will need to use the integrated emergency key blade to enter your F-PACE. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob and slide it to extract the physical key. Next, insert this key blade into the keyhole located on the driver's door handle. Turn the key blade clockwise to manually unlock the door and gain entry to your vehicle. This ensures you can always get inside. Once inside your F-PACE, the next step is to start the engine, even with a low key fob battery. Sit in the driver's seat and ensure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. Now, take your key fob and place it directly against the steering column, near the steering wheel. While holding it there, press the engine start/stop button. The vehicle system will detect the key fob and allow the engine to start, getting you on your way. To avoid future low battery situations, it is wise to maintain your key fob's power. Most Jaguar F-PACE key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. It is recommended to replace this battery every 2 to 3 years to ensure reliable operation. Keeping a spare battery in your glove compartment can be a lifesaver. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for precise battery replacement instructions and tips. Regular care keeps you moving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.